Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log into Frollo application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Frollo application from your app drawer. Once you get to this page, tap on skip at the top right in order to get to the interface where you can see the register and the sign in buttons. To log into existing account for Frollo, tap on sign in. You will now need to enter your email and the password associated with Frollo. Make sure to enter the same email that you chose while signing up for Frollo in the email tab. Once you are done entering the email, type in the password associated with your Frollo account that you set up while signing up. After you are done entering both of the credentials, tap on sign in. Wait for a few seconds and then you can now secure your application with a passcode or with a Face ID. Select one of the options and then follow through the prompts. Create a password and confirm it and log into your account. So that is how you can easily sign in to Frollo in just few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.